iCloud is Apple's service to back up and sync data like messages, contacts, and documents across iPhone, iPad, and computer. It offers 5 gigabytes of free storage and keeps data safe without using device space. In this video, let's learn the basics of iCloud Backup and why it's essential. Part 1. What is iCloud Backup? iCloud Backup is like a snapshot of your iPhone or iPad, saving apps, settings, and data to Apple's cloud. When setting up a new device, you can easily restore everything. It gives peace of mind if your device is lost or damaged. You can quickly recover your data. Part 2. What's in iCloud Backup and what's not included? Photos and videos except iCloud photos, app data and device settings, messages, contacts, calendars, call history, notes, Safari, health, HomeKit, voice memos, maps. Not included: iCloud content, music, movies, TV shows unless iTunes purchased. Apps only: app data, third-party app data not in iCloud, Apple Pay, Touch ID, or Face ID. iCloud Drive files not in App Backup, Mac or PC data. Part 3. How to backup data with iCloud. How to enable iCloud Backup on iPhone, iPad. Ensure your iDevice is connected with Wi-Fi. Then you can directly go to Settings, iCloud Backup, or Storage and Backup. Slide and open iCloud Backup option, then taps on Backup Now option to start. How to enable iCloud Backup on Mac. Upgrade your Mac to the latest version of OS X by clicking Apple Menu Software Update. Click Apple Menu System Preferences iCloud to open the iCloud window on Mac. Then enter your Apple ID and password to log into it. Select the files you want to backup. How to enable iCloud Backup on Windows PC. Run iCloud and sign in with Apple ID. Windows 7/8 or later version is required on your PC. Select the service you would like to backup. Part 4. Where can I see backups in iCloud? Open Settings and tap your name at the top. Select iCloud. Tap Manage Storage or just Storage, depending on your iOS version. Tap Backups, and you'll see a list of all devices backed up to iCloud under your Apple ID. Part 5. How to manage your iCloud backup. Select what to back up. Pick apps to save space and backup only essentials. iCloud Backup on off. Go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud Backup. Backups occur on Wi-Fi, charging, and locked. Manual backup. Tap Backup Now for an immediate backup. Delete old backups. Remove old backups to free space, keeping what you need. Part 6. iCloud Backup versus third-party program backup. iCloud isn't the only way to back up iPhone, iPad, or Mac data. Many users prefer third-party tools like Mobikin Assistant for iOS, which let you back up data directly to a computer. Here's a simple comparison of iCloud vs. computer backup. Part 7. How to view data in iCloud Backup. Sometimes you may need specific iCloud data like photos, contacts, or messages, without restoring everything. Mobikin Doctor for iOS lets you preview and selectively recover files from iCloud backups directly to your computer. How to view and selectively recover data from iCloud Backup. Step 1. Download and install the software on your computer. Open the program and select Recover from iCloud option. Log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Choose the types of data you want to view and click Next. Wait a while for the data to load. Step 3. Once the backup is loaded, you can preview your data now, and you can even select the files you wish to recover and click Recover to Computer. Choose a destination folder on your computer to save the recovered files.